Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Docker Hub, manage container images step by step clearly. To log into Docker Hub, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Docker Hub website at hub.docker.com. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Docker Hub username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid login issues. Once you have entered your login information, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Docker Hub dashboard. Here, you can see your container images and manage your repositories. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Fill out the required information, including your username. Once completed, click the Sign Up button to create your account. After signing up, you should receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Docker Hub login page to sign in. With your account set up, you can now upload, manage, and collaborate on container images. Make sure to keep your Docker Hub credentials secure for future logins. Now you are ready to explore the features of Docker Hub. Happy container image management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.